The Ease Blooming Bra from FamFree.com has genuinely exceeded every expectation I had, delivering a level of comfort, confidence, and thoughtful design that feels almost tailor-made. And the more I wear it, the more I appreciate how much care went into its creation. From the moment it arrived, the packaging itself felt premium yet simple, and the very first touch of the fabric instantly revealed how exceptionally soft and breathable the natural cotton material is, offering a soothing, gentle feel on the skin that remains pleasant even after hours of wear. What truly sets Ease Blooming apart is its incredibly convenient front closure system, which makes putting it on and taking it off unbelievably easy, eliminating the daily hassle of reaching around to struggle with back hooks, something I never realized was stressing me out until I experienced this smoother alternative. The support is simply remarkable. Even without underwire, the lift is natural, the shaping is flattering, and the way the wide, cushioned straps sit perfectly on the shoulders provides a subtle sense of posture alignment, reducing strain and making long days feel noticeably lighter. It feels secure yet completely non-restrictive, a balance that is so difficult to find in an everyday bra. The wide size range, spanning 28 to 58 bands and a G-cups, is another thoughtful detail that shows the brand's commitment to inclusivity, and it's clear they wanted people of all shapes and stages of life to find a reliable, comfortable fit. I chose the lace-accented version in a soft violet shade, and the way it blends beauty with practicality is impressive. The lace is non-itchy, delicately crafted, and adds a lovely touch without compromising the all-day comfort the bra is known for. Whether under a t-shirt, a corda, or even a fitted top, the bra stays smooth, supportive, and invisible where it needs to be, making it an incredibly versatile wardrobe essential. Even after several washes, the cotton holds its structure beautifully, the stitching remains strong, and the bra hasn't lost its softness or shape, which speaks volumes about the quality. Another reassuring point is FamFree's 45-day satisfaction guarantee, which shows how confident they are in the product and makes the shopping experience feel worry-free. Overall, the Ease Blooming Bra delivers a rare blend of softness, breathability, posture support, ease of use, and elegant design, making it a standout choice for anyone seeking all-day comfort without sacrificing appearance. And I can say with complete confidence that it has become one of the most reliable and comfortable pieces in my daily wardrobe.